For today's video, I'm wearing a special shirt. We're gonna lean our butt onto the wall, feet forward, about a foot away. And we're gonna pull our belly button in, and we're gonna fall forward into what I call ragdoll. You just basically fully relaxing the upper body, allowing those hamstrings to open up. Your butt's pushed against the wall, and you're flexing the lower back to bring your chest into your lap. Let your arms kind of dangle and fully relax. Focus on your breathing. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Now, if you want, you could grab behind the ankles or behind your leg and pull your chest a little further into your lap. The goal is not so much as getting down to the ground as it is just bringing your chest into your lap. You should feel this in your hammies and your lower back. Very good. We're going to breathe here, hands on your thighs, and we're going to get ready to rise up in 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly rise up, back all the way against the wall, head taps the wall, arms open up, big extension, and we're going to go down one more time into the ragdoll position. It's actually one of my favorite stretches to do at the end of the day. Just lean into the wall and let my body just kind of hang out, take all the tension out my lower back, and open up those hamstrings. Especially if you have a desk job or you spend a lot of time sitting in a chair, this one's especially good for you. Very good. We're going to focus on our breathing. You might notice the second go around, you're able to get a little deeper into your lap. Again, you could brace your hands on your thighs for support. We're focusing on your breathing. Feel free to grab behind your legs and use leverage to bring your chest further into your lap. We're going to hang out here for a few more seconds. And we're going to put our hands over our thighs and slowly unwind. 3, 2, 1, all the way up, head taps the wall, open up your hands. Very nice. For the next one, we're going to put our arm in a 90-degree position, lean into the wall, and I want you to pull your chest and head up and really rotate back. Now, this is great for opening up the chest, shoulder, and you should also feel this in the little upper part of your back. Very nice. 90-degree angle with the other hand, switching sides, and pull that chest up and stay as tall as you can. Your arms should be firmly on the wall, and you're just pulling away from it in the opposite direction. Again, don't stretch past pain. This should feel like a good opener. Lean into the wall with that hand at 90 degrees. Pull your chest and head up, and really try to be tall in this position. It's a great posture reset. We're gonna hang out here. Very good. We're going to switch sides, arm at 90 degrees, and pull that chest and head up nice and tall, firmly against the wall, but focusing on height, being as tall as you can in this position. Very nice. We're going to release, shake it out. We're going to keep our hands in a low position. We're going to bring our chest to the wall. You could pivot a little bit with your legs to keep it knee friendly. And we'll keep our hands under, and we're going to rotate in the other direction. Bring our chest and head to that wall. Very good. And again, you still want to stay tall in this position. We're going to rotate the other side. Keep the hands in under in position. Palms to wall. Push your chest and head towards the wall. Very good. One more time on the other side. Fully rotating, palms to the wall. Bring your chest and head forward, leaning your weight towards the wall. Very good. We're going to bring it back to center. We're going to do a couple quick rotations, focusing on fluidity. Reach over to the other side and tip to the other side, and one more on the other, and one more for good luck. All done. Great job.